Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and Tangem is running a special right now where you can get a Bitcoin rebate with the purchase of any Tangem product. You can also get an additional discount if you use my exclusive CryptoDad checkout code when you make your purchase. Also, if you get a ring, they're still running the 15 off ring checkout code, and I'll put links down in the description below so that you can take advantage of all of those savings just with a click. Also, what I wanted to do was a quick unboxing of this Bitcoin commemorative Tangem set and show you how to claim your Bitcoin reward in case you're wondering how it works. So let's jump in. All right, so I'm going to unbox this, get it quickly set up, and fund it with a little Bitcoin of my own, and then I'll show you how to claim that Bitcoin reward. So, of course, we're going to want to download and install the Tangem app. So just run over to the App Store, search for Tangem, and there it is. There's the logo. I've already got mine installed, so I can just open it up. All right, and what we're going to want to do is add a brand new wallet. When you install the app for the first time, when you first open it up, it's going to say create wallet. But if you already have some wallets running, you'll just tap these three dots and just choose add new wallet, and you're ready to go. So when we get to that step, we'll do that. We'll go ahead and open up the box here. Okay, and there we go. I offered to do a video on how to claim this Bitcoin reward, and they asked me which kind of wallet I would like. So I said, hey, if you got any of these commemorative Bitcoin editions left, I would really love one. So this is a 3-card set. It doesn't matter which card you choose to be your primary card, but you'll get the primary card set up, and then it's going to ask you to create 2 backups, and you'll use the other 2 cards as your backups. This is the seedless option. I think this is the best way to do Tangem, the way it was intended, easy for beginners. You don't have to fool around with the seed phrase. The private key is created on the card and never leaves the card. So when I made the purchase, they sent me an email for the rebate, so I'm going to use that to claim the reward. But let's go ahead and get the card set up. I'll show you how easy it is. Now I am going to need to stop screen sharing with my phone momentarily while I get this card set up, because the Tangem app will not allow you to manage cards when your phone is screen sharing, which is a security feature. So I'm just going to disable the screen sharing momentarily while I get the card set up. All right, so we'll open the Tangem app. We'll do that add new wallet as I showed you before. It's ready to scan, so we'll take our first card and we'll just hold it behind the phone. So you can see there, and it's ready to go. We're going to go ahead and create a wallet. It's going to generate the keys on the wallet. It wants us to scan the card again. All right, when you scan these cards, you want to make sure that you're holding it in the top right corner of your phone, and you're going to hear 2 connect dimples or little hepatic clicks. So make sure you hold the card there long enough for that. All right, it wants me to create my backup, so I'll just do add card or ring. We'll pull that second card up, hear that second dimple, and then I want to add one more card. Since I have a 3-card set, we'll say add card or ring. We'll hold that card up, and that's pretty much it. Now, what we want to do after we finalize backup is create an access code. This will prevent anyone else from accessing your cards. You can create all digits, or you can do a mix of digits and letters. The longer, the better. I would suggest at least 8 digits if you're going to do digits, and over 8 digits and characters. You want a secure access code. But you don't want it to be too complicated to where you don't remember it and it's too inconvenient for you. So try to find a good balance there. So we'll go ahead and create our access code. All right, and then they'll want you to confirm that. All right, now once you've created that access code, it needs to be imprinted on all 3 cards. So you'll take your primary card, and at this point I think I can start sharing again. Yeah, make it a little easier for you guys to see what I'm doing here. So we tap scan card, we bring that primary card up, and we do this countdown all the way down from 15 to 0. And primary card's done. Now it wants us to scan the backup card. So we'll scan backup card number 1. Let it count down all the way to 0. All right, and then we want to scan one more backup card. Let it count down to 0. The backup cards are unique, so if you get the cards mixed up, it'll tell you which is 1 and 2. But all 3 of these cards are interchangeable. They can all be used to manage your crypto. All right, and then when you're done, they give you the option of enabling the cryptos that you want to use. You can see Bitcoin and Ethereum are already enabled. You can add more later if you want to. Okay, so just tap later, and we're done. So we can continue to the wallet, and so we have an empty wallet with a Bitcoin and an Ethereum account in there. Technically, the accounts can be thought of as separate wallets too. That term wallet gets overused in crypto. But so we've got 2 empty wallets. We got a Bitcoin wallet and an Ethereum wallet. All right, now the 2 backup cards. My suggestion is to store them in separate locations. One, easy access for you, somewhere on your residence, where you know where it is, but no one else can find it. And then the second one, hide it off-site, maybe in a safety deposit box or a trusted friend or relative. Of course, it doesn't matter who's holding the card for you. They can't access the crypto because of the access code. So if you can trust them to just hang on to the card, you don't have to worry about them stealing your crypto. All right, so I'm just going to put the 2 backup cards aside. And let's put a little Bitcoin on the card. I'm going to use my Kraken account. So we just tap the Bitcoin account here. We do receive. And then we just copy the address into our clipboard. I'm going to use the default address. I'll go over to my Kraken account. All right, so in my portfolio, I have about $100 worth of Bitcoin. I'm going to withdraw that to my Tangem card. So just scroll down here a little bit, hit withdraw on the Bitcoin network, of course. And I'm going to add a withdrawal address. And I copy that address into my clipboard, so I'll just tap it here and paste. And then my nickname will be Tangem. You can call this anything you want. I'll choose add withdrawal address. And then I need to confirm that through my email. I'll just tap confirm on that email, right? And then I'm good to go. I can go back over to my Kraken app, and you see the Tangem Bitcoin Edition address is in there. I'll just send it all. It's a small test amount. It's about $100. Always use a small test first before transferring large amounts, please. Best practice. I'll just tap this little arrow here. I'll look over the transaction. It's going to the wallet I expect. I'll hit confirm, and I'm done. That was it. That's how easy it is to set up a Tangem card and fund it with a little Bitcoin. Of course, if you're using a different exchange like Coinbase or Gemini or Binance US, the withdrawal process from the exchange will be a little different, but the concept is the same. You're going to get your Bitcoin address from your Tangem wallet, and that's the address you'll use to make your withdrawal from wherever you're sending the Bitcoin from. Now we can just go back over to the app and wait for that Bitcoin to hit our wallet. Just might take a couple of minutes. While I'm waiting for that to hit my wallet, let's check out that email that they sent me. All right, so they want us to use the phone where the Tangem app is installed. So I have my phone ready, and that's the QR code there for the Bitcoin. So all I have to do is open up my... and I don't think I need to be in the Tangem apps at the moment. So I'll just open up my camera, scan that QR code. Oh, it's going to launch the Tangem app for me. And I guess that's all I need to do. Boy, that was much easier than I expected. Oh, there you go. So I just went back. I backed out a little bit from my Bitcoin wallet, and it told me that my promo code was activated. You might want to just be at the home screen when you do this to make it seamless. But yeah, there it is. Promo code activated. Your promo code was successfully activated. The reward will be credited to your Bitcoin account within 14 days. So that's it. You want to set up your Tangem app first. You don't even have to fund it with anything if you don't want to. like I did. I just did a quick funding to show you how to basically fund the wallet in the future. But you could do this with an empty wallet as well. Just scan the little QR code they send you in the email, and you're good to go. You've got your Bitcoin reward on its way. So that was it. Pretty quick and easy to set up the Tangem wallet and claim your code. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments, and I'll do my best to get them answered.